In this week of trading, we've seen USDJPY move right away to the upside as expected. And right now on the 4-hour chart, there is a divergence coming up on this very chart. I'll be talking about all of these and what you should be expecting next week in this very video. So pay attention and watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex content. Right on the USDJPY charts, I have been talking about markets moving to the upside after the breakout on this very level of resistance, which was a very significant resistance right at this very point. And then the breakout occurred and market began to move to the upside. And I've been telling you to keep buying the market instead of selling the market. But something is playing out on the chart right now that we need to be very careful of. Okay, so momentum is gradually dropping back down on the 1-day chart around this very area. And I told you to pay attention to this very zone because we're going to see reduced momentum from this very area to where the market is right now on the 1-day chart USDJPY. And that is the exact same thing we are seeing right now. Reduced momentum is important. That means market have possibility of retracing from this very area, okay, to the downside before continuation, because market does not move like a palm tree, okay. It does not just shoot all the way upward. It have to move and then we have correction and then move again, then correction, just like that. And one important thing you need to always know is to know when retracement is coming into the market, and that will further make you be in the right direction of the market so that you can exit your trade when it is necessary. So right now, market is moving upward with reduced momentum, which is a sign that the bears are around and willing to move the market to the downside in form of a retracement before continuation. Not only that, if you look at the RSI is already in overbought condition. So the RSI in the overbought condition means that the market still have capacity of moving upward, but we're going to monitor the RSI and know when the RSI come out of the overbought condition. And once we see that, then market is going to begin to go down with significant decline from the strength in the bears to the downside in this very formation. So this is what I am now looking at on the USDJPY chart on the 1-day. Okay, so this is very important right now, guys. Pay attention to markets coming back to the downside. And one important thing is that on the 4-hour chart, we are seeing a divergence right now, which is so important. And that means on Monday, as we resume the market next week, I am expecting the market to have a significant decline to the downside. If you look at this from here to this very point, we see the market moving upward a little bit to this very area. And also, if you look at this on the RSI indicator from this very point to this very area, this is a divergence, and this is a bearish divergence. Why? Because from this point to this point, we are making higher highs, but on the indicator, which is the RSI indicator, we are making lower highs. So market is coming back to the downside. So this is very important right now. I believe this divergence is going to further make the market to come back down as we resume the market next week on the 4-hour chart. Okay, this is very different from what is happening right now on the 1-day chart. Okay, so we can see the market come back right down on the 4-hour chart, but the 1-day will still be maintaining strength and market can from here begin to move to the upside again. So this can just be a just minor divergence, which will cause a little minor retracement before market can begin to move upward again, because the RSI on the 4-hour chart is under the 70% mark, but on the 1-day chart is inside the overbought condition, which means it can stay in the overbought condition for some time before it can finally come back to the downside. that is only when we can say that the market is already in a downtrend. So right now, pay attention to this very divergence that is on the 4-hour chart right now. So what I am expecting is for the market to have a retracement and then continuation to the upside. Okay, so right now we've not seen any lower low yet from the bears, and that means this is just a retracement and then possible continuation to the upside on the 4-hour chart. So what this means is you should still pay attention to buying the market, because we have not seen any lower low yet on this chart. This is a very straight move to the upside, and market is still in an uptrend. So even though market come back to the downside, we will still look for a buy opportunity for market to move to the upside, because this is very important. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on the USDJPY 4-hour chart. This divergence is very, very important on the chart right now. If you like content and analysis like this, please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. If you have not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this video right now. Check it out and do your registration. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.